people, good mornings. Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? You know, Steam Deck Tribe, Steam Deck Nation, Steam Deck Universe, Steam Deck World, Steam Deck Legion, what's good? Steam Deck Mob, what's happening? And the Steam Deck Squad, what's up? What do I got for you Steam Deck fans this morning? What do I have for you? Talking about Proton. Got this nice little article here off Gaming on Linux. Says here, actually I was searching the web for some Steam Deck news. Found one, by the way. Says here, Proton experimental fixes up Epic online service for Steam Deck and Linux. Oh, by the way, let's see. Jedi Survivor comes out on the 28th, so Valve and EA was already working together to make sure their games work. So once Jedi Survivor comes out, it's playable on the Steam Deck. Anyway, listen to this. Yes, launches an external online service. What a nuisance. They can be for Steam Deck and Linux desktop players. Thankfully, Valve keeps working away on Proton to fix up issues. Remember recently I wrote about how you might see a whole lot more games using Epic online service? Well, like what happened with EA app breaking a lot of games, it happened to the EOS too. Valve put up an update to Proton Experimental on March 31st with these fixes, and it says fix EOS service failing to update for Fall Guy, Returnal, and other games. This may require Proton fix to be recreated. Fix recent experimental regression that made King of Fighters XV start to a black screen. As noted above, you may need to redo the Proton prefix for the EOS fix on Steam Deck. You can do this by find a game in your Steam library, going into Properties, Developers, delete Proton files. On desktop Linux, you'll need to find the game ID in the Steam app, compat data folders to remove it. This can potentially cause a loss in save files, though, if games don't sync online. For an explanation of all the different Proton versions, see my original guide on Proton. Proton Experimental gets automatically installed if Valve set it on a game, or you can search for Proton Experimental in your Steam library. Then it says in parentheses, not the Steam store, to close parentheses, to install it. Then it shows you need to know how to change Proton version. Need to know how to change the Proton version used. See the video below. Anyway, this is it. And change it per Steam, change it per game. Steam Deck. Pick a game. Head to the little cog on the icon on the right. Click the properties. Then the compatibility on the left. Make sure the tick box is done. Then select Proton Experimental from the drop down. On Linux desktop, right click a game. Go to properties, compatibility on the left. Make sure the tick box is done. Then select experimental from the drop down. And yeah, that's that. So somebody said in the comment section, any info when Proton 8 is due to be released. So then someone else say it looks like that there's sadly no Halo Infinite fix yet. Valve is working on that. You best believe it. There's a lot of updates coming to the there's a lot of updates that Valve is working on when it comes to the Steam Deck. So all one can do, right, all the Steam Deck fans can do is be patient with Valve and let them come up with the fixes and the updates and make it available for the public. So be patient when it comes to the the Steam Deck, So yeah, they're working around the clock, man. I mean, they got Steam OS, to work on, and all those of course Proton. Then there's Vulkan. Then all those programs that makes the Steam Deck runs. Valve is working on updates for those, so be patient, man. That's all you can do right now, So yeah, and keep moving. And that is that. But I will keep you guys both posted if I find anything on the Steam Deck. Anyway, latest video for y'all to enjoy. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek thing, or Dark Side.